Forget crypto, forget drop shipping. There's a secret gold rush happening right now, and it's all going down in affiliate marketing. I've been watching a new wave of marketers who have literally cracked the code. They're using these insane automated systems to pull in hundreds of dollars a day, and honestly, it's one of the craziest things I've ever seen. For weeks, I've seen the same patterns, the same insane success stories, and the same opportunities for life-changing income everywhere. So today, I'm revealing everything. We're going to explore the exact method they're using, and I'll reveal the daily income method blueprint that's behind it all. Allow me to explain what it is and how it works and answer the key question. Is this the future of making money online? Let's find out. Okay, let's be real. For years, making money with affiliate marketing was an uphill battle. It was an insane numbers game. You had to drive millions of views just to earn tiny commissions. $2 here, $5 there. It was exhausting. But what if I told you that's the old way of thinking? There's a new idea taking over, and it's powering this entire movement. The strategy is genius. It is 100 times easier to make a $200 commission than it is to get 100 people to buy something for a $2 commission. Think about it. Instead of needing 100 sales to hit your goal, you just need one. This changes everything. It's not about volume anymore, it's about huge, high-value sales. And this has created an explosion of new programs focused only on giant commissions. This is why the old way is dead. This is a better vehicle, built for a world where one smart move can have a massive payoff. This is the opportunity that's pulling in thousands of people. I dug through tons of these programs and I realized they all follow the same powerful playbook. For this video, let's call it the daily income method. Here's how it works. First, the product and the price. These systems usually have a one-time purchase fee, often for around $297. That fee gets you the keys to the entire marketing kingdom. Now here's the part that gets everyone insanely excited: the commission. The program pays you a huge commission for every person you refer. A number I see everywhere is a $200 commission. The math is simple and powerful. One sale a day equals $200 in your pocket. The company keeps the other $97 to run the platform. But the commission is only half of it. The real value is the mountain of done-for-you assets. The value is unreal. Members get a library of over 100,000 pre-made, faceless marketing videos. These are short, catchy videos for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The idea is you can post amazing content daily without ever showing your face. On top of that, they include a vault of battle-tested email swipes and even an AI-powered viral script generator. The training focuses entirely on what's working right now: free traffic from short-form video. The whole thing is designed to make affiliate marketing as easy as humanly possible. My goal here is to show you what's working for so many people online right now. If you're curious and want to see the official system and the exact blueprint for yourself, I've put a link to a typical example in the description. Seriously, go see why everyone is freaking out about this. Check out the materials and ask yourself if you're ready to take advantage of the opportunity we're about to unlock. This all sounds amazing, right? But does this model actually work? The answer is an absolute yes. The good part is obvious. High-ticket commissions are powerful. Earning $200 from one sale is way more motivating than earning $2. And a done-for-you system is the perfect starting point for literally anyone. Now let's talk about what it really takes. The $200 daily goal is based on making one sale every single day. That is an awesome challenge, and this system is designed to help you meet it. The business-in-a-box idea is a total game changer. With thousands of people using these assets, the secret is to find your unique voice. Having a library of 100,000 videos means you have endless creative material to work with. The system gives you the tools, and if you stay consistent, you can build your marketing skill fast. And here's the most important point. Success requires action, and this system makes taking action easier than anything I have ever seen before. While results always depend on your own effort, the marketing for these programs is packed with success stories from people who just took consistent action. So what is this trend really all about? It represents a massive shift in affiliate marketing for 2026, the move toward high-ticket, done-for-you systems. It's a model built on one incredible opportunity: skip the grind and get straight to the money. The appeal is a masterclass in marketing. It solves every single pain point for new marketers. No technical skills, no content creation, and a faster path to real income. The people who succeed with these systems are the ones who dive in and use the tools to learn the psychology of why the system is so attractive in the first place. Ultimately, The secret is to combine the clone system with your own consistent effort. A business in a box can give you a car and the driving lessons. All you need to do is get in and drive. Real long-term success comes from building skills, and this system is the perfect place to start. Look at these systems as your launch pad. Analyze them, understand why they're so powerful, and embrace the opportunity of this new wave of marketing. The rules have completely changed. Speed, efficiency, and proven systems are what wins in the end. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you excited about this future? Don't forget to check out the link in the description to see this crazy system for yourself. Thanks for watching.